High in the heart of Norway, where snow-capped peaks pierce the sky and icy rivers carve through ancient valleys, lies Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella National Park. It is a land of stark beauty, shaped by glaciers and time, where the raw power of nature is on full display. This wilderness teems with life, harboring a surprising diversity of creatures uniquely adapted to its challenges. Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella is a sanctuary for some of Europe's most iconic wildlife, a place of breathtaking scenery. This is a land of contrasts, where delicate wildflowers bloom in the shadow of towering mountains, and the silence of the tundra is broken by the roar of a waterfall. Amongst the most captivating inhabitants of Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella are the Musk Oxen, shaggy behemoths that seem to have stepped straight out of the Ice Age. These magnificent creatures, with their long, thick coats and distinctive musky odor, are a testament to the resilience of nature. They are perfectly adapted to survive the harsh winters, their dense fur providing insulation against temperatures that can plummet far below freezing. Musk oxen are social animals, living in herds that can number in the dozens. The males, with their massive curved horns, are formidable protectors of the group. During mating season, the air is filled with the clash of horns as males battle for dominance. Their hooves, surprisingly agile for their size, help them navigate the rocky terrain. They graze on the sparse vegetation, their powerful bodies moving with a slow, deliberate grace across the tundra. The wild reindeer of Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella are a sight to behold. These graceful creatures embody the spirit of the wild. They roam freely, their movements dictated by the seasons. In spring, they migrate to higher elevations, following the snowline. Pregnant females seek secluded spots to give birth. Calves quickly gain footing and join the herd. In autumn, males clash antlers, competing for mates. The rut is a time of great activity and noise. As snow falls, they descend to lower altitudes. Wolverines, elusive hunters of the high country. Few animals evoke the wild spirit of Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella quite like the wolverine. This solitary creature, with its thick fur, powerful build, and sharp claws, is a master of survival in the harshest of environments. Wolverines are opportunistic hunters, their diet consisting of whatever prey they can catch, from rodents and birds to larger animals like reindeer, especially the weak or injured. They are incredibly strong for their size, capable of bringing down prey much larger than themselves. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth make short work of even the toughest carcasses, ensuring that nothing goes to waste in this unforgiving landscape. Wolverines are elusive creatures, their tracks rarely seen in the snow. They are solitary animals, their territories vast and fiercely defended. They are a vital part of the ecosystem, helping to keep prey populations in check. Golden eagles, majestic rulers of the sky. No account of Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella's wildlife would be complete without mentioning the golden eagle. This majestic raptor, with its wingspan of up to 2 meters, is a truly awe-inspiring sight. They soar effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below for any sign of movement. Golden eagles are apex predators, their hunting skills honed to perfection. They plummet from the sky with astonishing speed and accuracy, their talons strong enough to kill prey much larger than themselves. They primarily hunt ptarmigans, hares, and other small mammals, but have been known to take down larger prey such as foxes and young reindeer. Their nests, perched high on inaccessible cliffs, provide a safe haven for their young. The chicks, born blind and helpless, are fiercely protected by their parents until they are old enough to fend for themselves. A call of the wild. Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella National Park is a place of wild beauty, where the rugged landscape provides a haven for some of Europe's most iconic creatures. It is a place where the past feels ever-present, where the echoes of ancient hooves and the cries of predatory birds tell stories that have unfolded for millennia. For those seeking adventure, for those who long to connect with the untamed heart of nature, Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella beckons. It is a place where you can lose yourself in the vastness of the wilderness and find yourself in the process. It is a place where every step is a journey of discovery, and every encounter with its wild inhabitants is a privilege. Come explore the wonders of Dovrefjell-Sunndalsfjella, and let the spirit of the wild captivate your soul.